In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to walk through how to open version history, expand the details so you can see more granular saves, and recover an earlier draft if something goes wrong. This is a simple workflow that can save hours of rework and give you confidence to experiment without losing progress. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Look to the top left of the screen and click File. This menu is where Google Docs tucks away many powerful tools, including the one we need today. If your window is small, you may need to maximize the browser to make all options visible. In the File menu, move down to Version History. This is the feature that tracks how your document has changed over time. It's helpful for rolling back edits, reviewing who changed what in collaborative documents, and understanding when major updates happened. Next, click See Version History. When you select this, a panel opens. Usually on the right side of the screen, you'll see a chronological list of saved versions, each stamped with a date and time. In shared documents, you'll also notice color-coded highlights that show contributions from different editors, which makes it easier to follow the evolution of the content. To get more detail, click Expand Detailed Versions. This reveals additional autosaves between the major versions. Think of it as a finer-grained timeline, letting you drill into smaller changes from the same day. If you're trying to recover a specific paragraph or revert a minor tweak, these detailed entries are often where you'll find exactly what you need. If you decide you want to recover a previous state of the document, select the version you're interested in from the panel. You can preview its contents directly on the main canvas to confirm it's the right one. When you're ready, choose Restore this version at the top of the document. Google Docs will make that snapshot your current document. Don't worry, your current draft isn't lost. The version you just replaced is saved back into the history, so you can switch again if needed. And that's it. Done. You now know how to reach version history through the File menu, open the full history view, expand detailed versions for deeper granularity, and restore an earlier draft with confidence. Use this workflow whenever you need to audit changes, compare edits, or quickly undo a mistake. It's a reliable safety net that keeps your work protected while you keep writing.